Hey, look at this. Just a second.
No!
If you're tired of this happening all the time, no worries, there is an easy solution. Grab a chip clip you rarely use and just clip it onto the side or bottom so that it pins together the opposite sides of the cloth. The cloth won't fall now, guys, no matter how much you dishevel it. So no more prematurely dirty dishcloths. Speaking of chip clips, you can DIY your own personalized refrigerator magnet clip. Just get a chip clip of your choice, a magnet that will easily fit on one side of the chip clip, and a good quality glue. Popsicle sticks are very helpful when spreading glue thinly and evenly, so try using a popsicle stick while gluing your magnet. Tacky glue is a pretty good glue to use, or you could also use a hot glue gun if you prefer. Once you have the magnet glued and pressed firmly against one side of the chip clip, set it aside and give it plenty of time to dry. Once it dries, you are done. You can pop it onto your fridge and clip mail, stamps, grocery lists, and whatever else you want handy. If you like your scrambled eggs fluffy, this hack is for you. Add about 1 teaspoon of water to your eggs for each egg you cook. When you crack your eggs, try cracking them against a flat surface instead of the corner of a surface. This will lessen the chance of getting shell in your eggs, which is pretty nasty. Beat together your eggs, water, and any other ingredients you desire. Use vegetable or canola oil when frying. Do not use olive oil because it actually produces toxins when put on high heat, and you don't want to be eating that. When you finish, you will have yummy, fluffy scrambled eggs to enjoy. This next hack is so simple and basic, yet so efficient. When you make dinner tonight, make enough for tomorrow's lunch, too. You'll want to make a square, healthy meal so you and your family will be getting enough servings of all food groups. You'll also want to make food that keeps well. If you want to save yourself the trouble of heating up the food the next day, you could just make food that can be served well cold. When you're done with dinner, put the leftovers away in ready-to-eat containers for tomorrow's lunch, and you won't have to worry about at least one meal the next day. As I said, very simple yet very effective.